To try and make a side-by-side video showing the...
It's a scientific team with an extraordinary vision. The researchers here at Newcastle University want to restore sight for those who've lost it, using a bionic eye.
Our eye has optics. The light comes in through those optics. It then gets picked up by light-sensing cells called photoreceptors. There's then some processing that happens in the eye, and then there's communication cells that send that signal to the brain. The key difference with our approach is that we stimulate optically as opposed to electrically.
By using gene therapy, that's repairing a patient's cells through inserting a gene, and with a pair of goggles with a camera similar to this, the scientists here say some patients should then be able to see again.
The key target is initially this retinitis pigmentosa condition, which the light sensing elements in the eye get destroyed, and this causes degeneration of vision.
But also in this laboratory, scientists are working on something truly remarkable. They're planning to take a small microchip like this and implant it into the brain. And by doing so, what they hope to be able to do is to restore eyesight not just to those with some eyesight problems, but they believe they can restore eyesight to many millions around the world, including those patients who for some reason no longer have eyes.
This work is for the people which is blind, and actually if the people without eyes. If we can imagine this is the camera connected like that to the human's eye, and this one will be connected with the wire to the human's head, but the power will be transferred wirelessly to inside the body.
What will the images be like?
Actually, it's just similar for the humans.
Today they're testing the implant to make sure it doesn't heat up too much in the human head.
And one of the things that you can see here, this is my hand, and if you look at my hand, that's at 37 degrees, whereas the chip effectively is running at room temperature. In other words, this chip is super high brightness, but it's not using a lot of energy. It's actually very, very efficient.
Imagine something like that.
That sort of size?
Yeah.
In the brain?
Yeah.
How confident are you that this will work?
Hopefully 100%.
The implications of this extraordinary science are huge. Restoring eyesight using gene therapy and electronic goggles for some eye conditions is something patients, they say, could benefit from in the not too distant future. But within 10 years, they're also confident that they'll be able to give eyesight to those who have never before been able to see. This is surely the most pioneering of bionic technologies.